going to review my walking desk setup, or treadmill desk, whatever it is you'd like to call it. Maybe we'll just turn this off for now. I'll get into the specs, but the first thing I want to say is that I am shocked, really shocked. I didn't know if I was going to be able to get any work done at this desk. I thought I was probably going to end up watching Netflix and listening to podcasts, but not really actually getting work done. And I was wrong. I can work for hours on this thing, and I mean really work. Spreadsheets, meetings, emails, the lot. It's amazing. So first things first, this is not just any treadmill. This treadmill is specifically designed for walking. That means it is slim and fairly quiet, not silent, but definitely quiet. It folds away nice and easily, and it does mean that it only goes up to a maximum of 6 kilometers per hour. Now, when I'm getting my work done, when I'm concentrating, I find that about 3.5 kilometers per hour is my sweet spot for working. Sometimes I'll go a little bit faster if I'm in a meeting that doesn't require me to speak or present or anything like that, but 3.5 seems to be where I sit most of the day. Or walk most of the day, I should say. I aim for about 12,500 steps a day, and I manage to do that in a working day pretty much all the time now. And for context, I am in month 11 of lockdown in London, and on the days where I don't leave the house, which is most days, I am lucky if I get around about 1,000 steps a day. So bad. I have multiple issues with my back and neck, and I have really been suffering from just sitting way too much and a general lack of movement over this last 11 months. I can honestly say that even though I've only been using it for 2 weeks, I am noticing a massive improvement in my back, my neck, and my knees, and just generally how I feel. My energy is also better during the working day. The treadmill I'm using is a City Sports folding treadmill. It is, as I said, a walking treadmill that goes up to 6 kilometers per hour, and the desk I'm using is a floating shelf style desk that actually folds down against the wall if I need it to, but I've been leaving it up because I like it, and I'll link to both of those in the video description. If you don't want to go with the folding desk or floating desk situation, I can also highly recommend IKEA's adjustable desk. I had that a few years ago and I really liked it, but I didn't use it with a treadmill. So overall, yes, I highly recommend getting a walking desk setup if you're planning to be working from home in the future. It's amazing. If you have any questions, please be sure to pop them in the comments. I'm happy to answer them for you. And also, if you're an assistant, come and join our private Facebook group for assistants only. There is a link to that in the video description. It is a super helpful community of assistants that is filled with support and advice and tips, and it's just generally an awesome place to be. So hopefully I will see you there. Bye for now.